The next chapter of this adventure is not to be missed, but before we get there, I need to thank the sponsor of this video, which is Waterdrop. This, by the way, is the Waterdrop A1 Reverse Osmosis Hot&Cold water dispenser. If you haven't heard of Waterdrop, they specialise in developing efficient water purifiers aimed at providing safe and clean drinking water, ensuring the health and well-being of you and your family. I often talk about the importance of filtering water in our travel series because it makes you feel healthier, removes impurities like PFAS, fluoride, lead, calcium, nitrates, as well as the importance of having a UV sterilizer to make sure your water is sterilized. Let me tell you why this one is really cool. So in the box you get one dispenser and two filters and a brush. It provides instant pure filtered cold water in 1 second. That's much quicker than other types of water dispenser like this. That's thanks to its refrigerator grade compressor. It just tastes so good. It also provides hot water in 3 seconds. It uses reverse osmosis. It has a 6-stage deep filtration system and UV sterilization to remove large particles, remove chlorine and improve the color, odor and taste of your water. Honestly, mwah. Chef's kiss. The water is very tasty. I really like the black design, which kind of speaks for itself, and I think that it would look good in any location, be that an office, a home, kitchen or a motorhome. And with its smart touch OLED display, it's a joy to use, super simple, shows you all the useful things like water capacity and filter life remaining. After using the A1 Reverse Osmosis Hot&Cold water dispenser for a little while now, I can tell you that I really like the efficiency and the ease of use. I'm not boiling the kettle all the time. I'm not using any water bottles, like buying plastic bottles from the supermarket, saving lots of time and money. Very pleased I've got it. Currently trying to talk my mother into buying one. Ready for the taste test? If you'd like to get a Waterdrop A1 Reverse Osmosis Hot&Cold water dispenser or an alternative model, there's lots to choose from. I'd recommend checking it out. There's currently a great discount deal. I will link it below. It's available in North America, the UK and Europe. Go check it out. Thanks to Waterdrop and thanks to you guys. Now back to the adventure.